type of dissociative disorder in which the person has persistent or recurrent feelings of depersonalization or derealization. Depersonalization is described as feeling disconnected or detached from one's self. Individuals may report feeling as if they are an outside observer of their own thoughts or body, and often report feeling a loss of control over their thoughts or actions. Subjects feel they have changed and that the world has become vague, dreamlike, less real, lacking in significance or being outside reality while looking in. In a 2020 article in the journal Nature, Vasuna, et al. Describe experimental findings which show that layer 5 of the retrosplenial cortex is likely responsible for dissociative states of consciousness in mammals. Derealization is an alteration in the perception of the external world, causing those with the condition to perceive it as unreal, distant, distorted or falsified. Other symptoms include feeling as if one's environment is lacking in spontaneity, emotional coloring, and depth. Individuals with depersonalization describe feeling disconnected from their physicality, feeling as if they are not completely occupying their own body, feeling as if their speech or physical movements are out of their control, feeling detached from their own thoughts or emotions, and experiencing themselves and their lives from a distance. Depersonalization-derealization is the single most important symptom in the spectrum of dissociative disorders, including dissociative identity disorder. Depersonalization is a subjective experience of unreality in one's self, while derealization is unreality of the outside world. Factors that tend to diminish symptoms are comforting personal interactions, intense physical or emotional stimulation, and relaxation. Distracting oneself, by engaging in conversation or watching a movie, may also provide temporary relief. Some other factors that are identified as relieving symptom severity are diet or exercise, while alcohol and fatigue are listed by some as worsening their symptoms. Depersonalization also differs from delusion in the sense that the patient is able to differentiate between reality and the symptoms they may experience. The ability to sense that something is unreal is maintained when experiencing symptoms of the disorder. The problem with properly defining depersonalization also lies within the understanding of what reality actually is. Depersonalization disorder has appeared in a variety of media. The screenwriter for the 2007 film Numb had depersonalization disorder, as does the film's protagonist played by Matthew Perry. The song Is Happiness Just a Word? By hip-hop artist Vinnie Paz describes his struggle with depersonalization disorder.